Today we are going to understand the concept of domestic territory in economics. हमें पता है that in real time, domestic territory means borders of any country, the political frontier of any country. But when we study this in economics, there is certain additions to it. What are those? Let's see. Ships and aircrafts owned and operated by normal residents, fishing vessels, oil and natural gas floating platforms operated by residents of a country in international water. Embassy, consulate, military establishment of a country abroad. Example, Indian embassy situated in UK, US will be considered as a part of India's domestic territory. It will not be the part of US or UK's domestic territory. So these things are included in domestic territory whenever we consider it in terms of economics. What things are not included? Embassies, consulates, military establishment of foreign country. Example, Japanese embassy in India. It is not a part of Indian territory. It is a part of Japan's domestic territory. Then international organizations like UN, United Nations Organization, WHO, World Health Organization, etc., located within the geographical boundaries of a country. So basically, these international organizations are not considered a part of any country. They are considered a part of international borders. They are meant for everyone.